Brought to you by JEGS.
Even if you use the highest grade fuel available in your vehicle, deposits can form quickly in fuel injectors, causing loss of performance, reduced fuel economy, and increased emissions. That's why it's important to use a high-performance fuel injector cleaner, like Royal Purple Max-Atomizer, which contains highly concentrated polyether amine detergents, or PEA, that quickly clean clogged and coked injectors to restore maximum injector flow. Max-Atomizer improves fuel economy, improves responsiveness, maximizes horsepower, and stabilizes ethanol. And tests show that it outperforms the competition across 4 key performance metrics: fuel economy, injector cleanup, flow rate, and fuel stability. The superior cleaning power of Max-Atomizer increases fuel economy by 4.1%, up to 485% greater than leading competitors. Max-Atomizer's high flash point allows it to reside in hot combustion chambers longer than other products, removing more than 90% of deposits, which is as much as 10 times the cleaning power of leading competitors. Fuel injector cleaners with low flash point detergents vaporize before they reach the injectors, resulting in incomplete cleaning and reduced injector flow. But with Max-Atomizer, the flow rate is improved by 94.5%. By delaying the onset of oxidation, less gums are formed, resulting in fewer deposits. Max-Atomizer provides maximum fuel stabilization to prevent deposit-forming gums. A highly concentrated, high-performance fuel injector cleaner is essential for optimal engine performance. Choose Royal Purple Max-Atomizer for the best results in any type of fuel injection system.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.